are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, power windows, fog lights, CD player, compass, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.